Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check out a really exciting application. This is an online software. It's called RITM and it is made by Antlii, but the website is antlii.work. You can also check his Behance.not. I don't even follow him. He's from Kiev, Ukraine. Look at that. The man is a legend. Wow. So I'm going to show you how this works. So here we got the random seed you can click on, and as you can see, it's gonna change the numbers. This is basically gonna change the wave of this pattern. And let's jump in. Let's see what we can do. We got the canvas width 600. I'm gonna make it all the way up, and we got the height. I'm gonna increase all the way up. We got the Y offset. It's gonna put down pattern all the way down. I'm gonna bring it up. There you go. And we got the X offset. Is gonna bring it left or right. Wave intensity, look at that, it's gonna intensify the waves. Now we got like on 30, this is the maximum. Now I'm gonna decrease it. Now it's like pure lines, super straight lines. So I'm gonna leave it somewhere around 9.5. Wave quantity, so this is basically the density of the waves. I'm gonna push it to the maximum and it's gonna lag like crazy. Right now it needs to load up 100%, but I won't wait that much. So I'm gonna decrease it. Let me check what it, oh, look at that. This is like 2, 3, 4, and it's basically going to add more and more lines and colors. But the rear option is like really good looking too. But I'm gonna go up somewhere around 60. Somewhere around 50. There you go. Noise harmony. I'm gonna increase the noise, decrease the noise. So if you increase it to maximum, every wave is gonna synchronize itself. They're gonna wave at the same time. And if you decrease the noise harmony, now they're gonna go inconsistent. So they won't do it at the same time. It's gonna be like slight delays in between the lines and colors. Now we got here the width frequency. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, this is gonna stretch it out. Look at that, this is gonna stretch all the way in. This is basically, it's stretching out. So this is really good. So on 422, I like this a lot. And we got like here the noise quality. And this is like wireframes in 3D. You know, you are removing more and more wireframes and the quality it gets really low. So I'm gonna push it all the way up to become smooth, but actually it will lag on low noise. Make it smooth somewhere around 18. Here we got the colors, we got like the palette, predefined, generative, and custom. So I put it on generative. Now we got like sort mode. So on generative, we can generate a lot of color nuances, and we got like subtle colors also. So we selected a new color nuance. For example, this, and with the shuffle button, it's gonna shuffle up these colors basically. I love this one, by the way. Now let me check the other one, predefined. Let me check the palette. Wow, this is insane. Look at that. So if you go with this handle, it's gonna switch up the colors a lot. So check this out. Here basically you can find a lot of color palettes if you want. This is really creative. So I'm gonna leave it like this. This is beautiful. And let me check the sort mode, repeat, random. Oh yeah, with the random, it's gonna randomize the colors. With the repeat, it's gonna repeat the same nuances. Let's say it started from this orange, it ended up with the blue, and now orange is starting again, it ends with blue, you know, and it goes on and on like that. So that's the repeat. The random, you know, it just randomizes the colors. And we got the transition. Wow. I didn't know about that. So I won't do the transition now, but it's really good looking. I'm gonna leave it like this right now. And then we got the custom. And here you can add all sorts of colors you want. I'm gonna go with predefined. Now we got here also the graphics. We got fill, palette, gradient. Check this out. Oh my God, it switched from fill colors to gradient. It looks beautiful. Now we got like line and none. You also can include lines in between. We got like solid lines. Check this out. You can increase the weight of the solid lines, and you also can change the colors of the solid lines. But we also got like palette. I'm gonna increase the palette or decrease. Look at that. It's changing it is basically adding those orange lines in between. And there's like also gradient. You can mix in like more gradients. I don't like none of them. I'm gonna remove these, and now it goes even more smoother. And here is like the background color. We got gradient fill, and we also got the directions, 90 degree, 180 degree, or 270. I'm gonna go with 0. And we got like the animation loop length 10 seconds. So the loop length is basically how much is gonna be the loop. I'm gonna go with 4 seconds, and I'm gonna decrease the speed. Ooh, 008 looks really promising. And here you also can save it. Like we got like WebM, we got GIF and PNG. I'm gonna go with GIF. And here you can export, you know, in different formats. I'm gonna go with 960 by 720 and click on export. Okay, I clicked on the export state encoding. So basically you have to wait. I never exported before. So there you go. If you wait a couple of seconds, I waited somewhere around 20-25 seconds, and it's gonna pop up this window where you can save the GIF or the JPEG. And check this out, this is the GIF. You can see the gradients are kind of low res, but the rest of the lines are really good. And also, if you want to support the channel, you know, you can join the members only channel. You can click the join button, select the secret content, you know, or select the friendly, and watch some premium tutorials. I upload twice a week. Those tutorials are more advanced. They're debunked techniques. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.